Go.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking
Looks like you lost
mouth.
another one.
I know it is really nerve-wracking, just complete disregard for any rules and laws and other people's safety at this point. So Stu, pick it up from there and tell us what else you see happening down below. We don't see the black and white vehicles or any CHP from this vantage point, but obviously they're giving this person some space because this is where it gets very dangerous when they feel as though they have nothing to lose.
You know, I'm trying to. Whoa! Oh my goodness!
Oh my
gosh! I don't want to show that on television. Yes. Oh no!
Oh wow!
No! This is good. This is one of those ones where I don't even want to push in on that.
No.
I think the driver was ejected on that collision right there. We're going to need a moment or two to actually find out exactly what happened, but definitely collided with that pickup truck. And this is what I was talking about the whole time. That type of collision. You know that. If what I saw is what I saw, which I hope it's not, this has come to a very tragic ending.
jackets, $65 through $80. They got all type of stuff. Large, any size you need. Come here. Whole bunch of jackets. Better than Cycle Gear and all the other motorcycle, gear place. They got full suits, $200. Can't beat that. Leather, pants, gloves, $25. Boots. Jackets and all. Definitely come here.